Welcome! In this video, we are going to explore a key concept in geometry, the Triangle Proportionality Theorem. We will learn how a line that is parallel to one side of a triangle can divide the other two sides in a very special way. Before we dive in, let's quickly remember what a triangle is. A triangle is a basic shape defined by three straight sides that connect at three corners, or vertices. A key property of any triangle is that the sum of its three internal angles always equals 180 degrees. Another important idea for our topic is parallel lines. Two lines are parallel if they are always the same distance apart and never, ever intersect, no matter how far they are extended. Think of them as railroad tracks that run alongside each other forever without crossing. Now for the main event. The Triangle Proportionality Theorem states that if a line parallel to one side of a triangle intersects the other two sides, then it divides those two sides proportionally. Let's break down what that really means. Here we have a large triangle, which we can call triangle ABC now. Let's draw a line, DE, through the triangle so that it is parallel to the bottom side. BC, this new line crosses the other two sides at points D and E, cutting them into smaller pieces. The theorem tells us that the segments are now proportional. This means the ratio of the top segment to the bottom segment on one side is equal to the ratio of the top segment to the bottom segment on the other side. So, the length of a D divided by the length of DB is equal to the length of a E divided by the length of EC. Let's use this in an example. Imagine the segment AD is 6 units, DB is 9 units, and AE is 4 units. We want to find the length of segment EC, which we will call x. We set up the proportion. 6 divided by 9 equals 4 divided by x. By cross-multiplying, we get 6 times x equals 9 times 4, which is 36. Finally, dividing 36 by 6 gives us an answer of 6. So, the missing length of x is 6. Interestingly, this rule also works in the opposite direction. This is called the converse. If a line divides two sides of a triangle proportionally, meaning the ratios we discussed are equal, then that line must be parallel to the third side. It's a great way to check if two lines are truly parallel. This isn't just a rule for math class, it has many practical uses. Surveyors use it to calculate distances they can't physically measure. Architects rely on it to scale drawings and ensure buildings are structurally sound. Artists even use it to create a sense of depth and perspective in their work. To sum it all up, remember that a line parallel to a triangle's side divides the other two sides into proportional segments. This proportional relationship is a powerful tool for finding unknown lengths. Don't forget that this works in reverse, too. This theorem is a fundamental concept that bridges geometry with real-world applications.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.